So here comes the elevator at the Montgomery College Rockville Arts Building. Oh, it's going out first. Oh my gosh, this elevator is so slow. Is it ever gonna come? I hear it. I hear the machine room. All right, here's the elevator. Oh wow, this is interesting. Go to 4. Doors are super dodgy on this elevator. Here they go. There they go. Motor. Excuse me, I'll just have some snacks in the Science West. Here we are at 4. We're gonna go down to 1. Button got fixed. Come on. This is a very small elevator. Only 2,500 pounds. Here we are at 1. We're gonna take another ride up to 4. Oh, going up. Have a good day.
You too.
Filming elevators is just such hard work because you don't want to invade anyone's privacy. But at the same time, I want to capture these elevators for the internet. It's just such hard work. Here we are at 4. We're actually gonna get out at 2. Oh my gosh, did I just hear the old EPCO chime? I think these might be older EPCOs. Come on, door close, work. There, I think it's working. There it goes, it's just really slow. Sorry this video took like 4 minutes, but it's just really hard work filming elevators. Here we are at 2, and that will be it.